Sir, in other state, sir, the domicile certificate is allowed. Sir, the family registered card is allowed. Sir, the government housing card is allowed. The health card is allowed. The bank, so many are hospitalized. Sir, because of the harassment of the people, because of Bengal is targeted, sir. Sir, you tell me why not Assam? Sir, why not Assam?
The state government, we cried foul.
The problem is that they are not allowing the people.
So let the matter.
They are not allowing the
legal domain
officials.
Possibly for most of the submissions.
They are not allowing the domicile certificate.
Day after.
They are not allowing the government certificate. May I explain you, sir?
Give me time till tomorrow, day after, Lords, then I can give that.
May I explain you, sir?
Because in my view,
Because I belongs to that state. I am a
Can there be any doubt, Madam?
no, sir. No, sir. I am very grateful, sir, because
If at all,
because of your
it is
kind
If it's
kindness, my humble regards to my Honorable Chief Justice, Mr. Babchi and Mr. Panchali also. Panchali ji also. Thank you very much. And my humble regards to Mr. Dwivedi and others, my opponent lawyers also. Sir, the problem is, always our lawyers fight for the case and they're fighting from the beginning. We are also. But sir, when everything is finished, when we are not getting justice, when justice is crying behind the door, I quote Rabindranath Tagore, then we thought that we are not getting justice anywhere. So many times I have written 6 letters to Election Commission, including all the details, but no reply, sir. I'm a bonded labor, sir. Maybe I prefer that. I'm a very less important person. I prefer that. Sir, I'm from a common family, but I'm not fighting for my party.
Madam Mamata, sorry for interruption. The state of West Bengal, in its own right, has filed a petition, right? Today, of course, you are also coming in your individual capacity, but state of West Bengal, in its own right, there is nothing wrong in that. State of West Bengal has also filed a petition.
State of West Bengal is not.
One of the best concerns in the Supreme Court, fortunately, are there to not only are to represent the case of the state. Mr. Sibal appeared on that day. Today also, incidentally, Mr. Diwan is there. Then in the other matter, Mr. Gopal is there.
local, they pretty much know all
Respected
these
Chief Justice, sir,
Not that
I am
something imposed.
giving you the example. I can show you some photographs. If you allow me, only I want to submit, sir, I want to lay, because it is not my photograph. All the Bengali leading newspapers, it is reported. You'll be surprised to know sir, only, sir, my submission, sir.
No,
Sir, their SIR process is only for deletion, not for inclusion. Mismatch, not only the title, sir. Mismatch, mismap, unplanned. Now suppose a daughter after marriage, she go to the in-laws house. Now why she's changed her title? Why she's using the husband's name, husband's title? That is also mismatch.
it can't be.
Yes, sir, they have done it, sir.
That's why we are.
Now,
That's
sir,
why we
only I just want to, sir. Number 2, sir, there are some daughters who married and shifted the in-laws house. Their number also just unilaterally deleted. It is just because they shifted their houses. Sir, you will appreciate sometimes some people work some office, they transferred other offices, they work somewhere. Sometimes the poor people, they purchase the flats, they shifted their addresses, but they are the genuine people are staying there. But because of the name of logical discrepancy, now they change the name. No, instead of logical discrepancy, when you gave order, sir, they violated, and they say it is the discrepancy mapping. Sir, can they even violate your order? Number 2, sir, we are grateful. Bengal people are so happy that this court gave order that Aadhaar card will be one of the proof documents. But they said no, on with Aadhaar card. Sir, in other state, sir, the domicile certificate is allowed. Sir, the family registered card is allowed. Sir, the government housing card is allowed. The health card is allowed. The bank books, means whatever caste certificate is allowed. Only they targeted Bengal on the eve of election. Sir, 4 state, opposition state are going for on the eve of election. But why, after 24 years, what was the hurry to do it? What it takes 2 years, only within 3 months, even when the festival season is there, when the harvesting season is there, when people are not in a mood to be in the city, they were in the outside, but they are traveling, and that time they issued the notices and all this. Sir, more than 100 people died, sir. Can you imagine? So many are hospitalized. Sir, because of the harassment of the people.
It is there.
Because of Bengal is targeted, sir. Sir, you tell me why not Assam? Sir, why not Assam?
The state government, we cried foul, saying that.
Why not Assam?
Any cooperation. They say.
Why not
it's
Northeastern?
fine.
Madam, I have come all the way to speak something.
Indeed, my lord. But the only thing is that, my lord, if it's off the record, we need to.
Madam Mamata, let me
Yes.
let me clarify 2-3 things to you.
No, this is
About the Aadhaar card,
Commission.
about the Aadhaar card, this matter about SIR's validity issue. SIR's validity issue is being argued before us from last more than 2 months. In the main judgment, which was the first case, we have reserved the judgment. Therefore, we are not in a position to comment with regard to the credibility, credential, or admissibility, and to what extent about the Aadhaar card. That issue has been argued before us. We have reserved the judgment. But you also will appreciate Aadhaar card has also its own limitations when you will read that statute under which it is issued. At the same time, with reference to its insertion in the RP Act, what will be its value? We are yet to determine that part. You have one part. Second, you have pointed out this issue of the discrepancies part. In this case, one way out can be that you give a team of officers. The election commission can take them on deputation in the sense that those can also be part of the election commission team, verify that here it is a spelling mistake or it is only because of the local dialect that this mistake is occurring. Those must be rectified. That has to be rectified. So let us see what response they will give. We will grant them 1 day time. Tomorrow or
Sir,
day after.
No, sir. What happens, sir, ultimately, in practical, ERO has no power now. They have superseded all the power from DO, ERO, BLRO. Only they have appointed 8,300 micro observer and the role observer from the BJP ruled state, so that DO cannot clear the name. It is all micro observer can delete all the names sitting inside the election commission office through AI. Sir, earlier 58 lakhs are being deleted. Even they were not allowed to file Form 6. Sir, earlier first phase, 58 lakhs deleted. There so many people are alive, and now they are being declared that their death. Sir, the anti-women, so many women.
Madam Mamata, if need arises, we will mandate it, we will direct. Every document will have to be signed by the BLO, who are the authorized officers and who are the authorized notified officers.
Kindly see the directions on the website, Millers,
Don't
so
think
far
that
as the so-called micro observer.
Micro observer is the final authority. Election commission, WhatsApp commission. WhatsApp commission is saying it is only the micro observer. Only they are deleting all the names.
Millers, they could certificate on record.
May I just take you back?
They are all government of India officials.
My lords,
They are,
even
Lord, in one of the matters, government is a party. Lord, let
but the problem is that they are not allowing the people.
the matter.
They are not allowing the
legal domain
officials.
Possibly for most of the submission.
They are not allowing the domicile certificate.
Day after.
They are not allowing the government certificate.
let that be a direction, Millers, we should be served the copies.
May I just highlight? two
I
points?
have something.
Yeah, I just want to highlight 2 points. If your lordship would just take up, I want to save time, so just go to my note for a moment. Just go back.
Lord, I want to intervene for 1 minute, Lord, if Lordship permits, Lord. We have written several letters to the state government to give us Group B, Lord, the class 2 officers of the rank of SDM or equivalent, so that, my Lord, EROs can be appointed. That's the standard pattern, my Lord, that they should be class 2 officers because they decide vital rights, papers and all that.
No, that has.
Now they have given, my Lord, only about 80 officers of that rank. Rest, all of them were given who were clerks and below, who are working under the pressure of the state government. Therefore, we had to appoint, my Lord, micro observers who can assist, my Lord, in case, my Lord, they are in the confusion. So the fault lies with them in not giving us class 2 officers for performing the job of AERO and ERO. So that's the reason why this is happening. And these micro observers are validly appointed under section 13C read with 3.
No, there is no statutory rules.
My learned friends are not right, not that they are not, we are not entitled.